Greetings, welcome one and all, and I'm on my way looking for some almond, Caribbean almonds, and I'm just here and I see a interesting herb which I have to do a video on, so I'm collecting some. Let me see if it have any with the flowers on it. The flowers drop out. These are about to. So let's go with me. We go into the almonds, Caribbean almonds, the best almonds ever. And there is the almond trees. Ground almonds on the ground. There is the almond trees. Lots of almond trees that is there. See, all the way down, all the way in the back, from all the way up here is almonds.